Hey guys, day one of my Thanksgiving series. Today I'm making cranberry sauce. This recipe is quick, super easy, and super delicious. Let's get to it. Wash 4 cups of fresh cranberries. You want to make sure you check them for bruises, and if you see any bruised cranberries, you can just throw those ones away. After you wash them, make sure you strain them. Then I'm going to measure 2 cups of red wine. And if you don't want to use red wine, you don't have to. You can substitute that with orange juice. It will be equally as delicious. Next, I'm going to add the red wine, sugar, cinnamon sticks, and cranberries in a heavy saucepan. I'm going to cook those for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cranberries have broken down and it has a nice jammy consistency. It will look kind of thin at first, but don't worry. As it cools down, the mixture will get thicker. Transfer it into a bowl and let it cool completely before you store it in the refrigerator. This is a great make-ahead recipe as it keeps really good in the refrigerator. After 25 minutes of cooking, let it cool on the stove for about 15 minutes before you transfer it into a bowl. Then let it cool completely before you store it in the refrigerator. And that's it, guys, for this recipe. This will be one of your new favorites. Trust me, it is 10 times better than the canned version. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time on our Thanksgiving series.